All right, this is a recording for G2 to verify that we do, in fact, have expense management services and expense management capabilities. So just on the dashboard here, we have a financial monitoring dashboard where we review a couple of different monthly metrics, which are service totals by provider. So this is just a snapshot of like the current month. And then also service totals by product. And then we have some trending spend here as well. So this is just over time how much the services have been costing the client. And then we can click over here to invoices, which is the primary method that our clients will access the expense management services. You can see here uploads. These are just like recently uploaded PDF invoices that the client either are either emailed to us by the provider directly or are uploaded either by the client or by our team. So you can come in here if we don't, or if we aren't able to receive the invoice via email, you can just come in here, click, you select the provider from this list. So let's just say Verizon. You can select Verizon and then upload a copy of the PDF here. So you just click upload, drag and drop a file in, and you can upload an invoice. Below the uploads, you'll see the actual invoices, and you can see here that we've categorized them into several categories. We've got overdue invoices, paid invoices, and received invoices. So most of the invoices are either going to be paid or received. And one of the capabilities that we have is to do reconciliation. So if you click into one of the invoices, you can see here we're doing reconciliation on the contracted MRC versus the invoice MRC. So there's a difference right here. And we're calling out the fact that there is a difference. And then we're also doing that kind of reconciliation at the line item level. So we're grabbing the invoice MRC and then the service or contracted MRC and comparing them. And you can see here that this line item differs because those two MRCs are different. We're also categorizing and grabbing a bunch of information about the PDF invoice itself. So the billing period start and billing period end, the frequency, the total amount due for services. So we're categorizing a lot of that information. And then when a line item does differ, it automatically opens a ticket in our ticketing system for us to triage and open a ticket with the provider. So this is our expense management module.